Predicting candidate availability is notoriously difficult in talent acquisition, often leading to wasted resources and missed opportunities. Today, I'll show you how PredictAvailability tackles this with a scientific approach so you can learn to build more reliable hiring pipelines. First, let's understand why this problem persists. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. In the talent org industry, forecasting relies on outdated methods like manual intuition or simple averages. These fail because markets are dynamic, candidate behavior shifts with seasons, job markets fluctuate, and individual readiness factors are ignored. Generic tools can't adapt, leaving recruiters in the dark. Now, the technical method behind PredictAvailability. It uses a proprietary algorithm that ingests multiple data streams, historical hiring patterns, individual candidate career progression, current market indicators like unemployment rates, and even sector-specific trends. The key concept is multivariate analysis, where these factors are weighted and correlated to predict availability probabilities. This differs from common misconceptions. It's not about crystal balls, but about statistical confidence intervals based on real data. Moving to the software solution. PredictAvailability specifically processes this data through 3 stages. It establishes baselines from your historical records, calculates readiness scores for each candidate profile, and models scenarios based on changing conditions. The system includes a full audit trail for compliance, showing every data point and calculation so you can trust the outcomes. It allows you to run what-if analyses, like how a market downturn might affect availability for tech roles. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine you're hiring for a marketing director in Q3. PredictAvailability analyzes variables like the candidate's notice period from past roles, current industry churn rates, and even regional hiring activity. It might output that there's an 80% probability of availability within 4 weeks, with a confidence level of 95%. This measurable outcome helps you prioritize outreach without making unfounded claims. For compliance and reporting, the software generates clear, stakeholder-ready reports. These summaries highlight key predictions and supporting data, aligned with regulatory standards for data usage. They're designed for executives and recruiters alike, ensuring everyone understands the insights. To close, PredictAvailability gives you a strategic edge by turning candidate forecasting from a guess into a science. You gain efficiency, accuracy, and confidence in your talent pipeline.